Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pumps. I'm in the middle of making another video. I'm waiting for $33,000 of Bitcoin to be deposited into my Uphold account so I can change it for Kaspa. So I won't have any Bitcoin left. I'll be nearly 100% Kaspa Maxi. But the reason why I'm doing this as well, I decided to do this today because I think a breakout is imminent. It's really going to happen. We already got a new all-time high there about 3 hours ago or so. And you can see it's coming up and it's constantly attacking that all-time high. It's going to come back up there. It's not dropping like it was. It's not having drops. It's barely left 19 cents at all the last couple of days. And it's just coming up here and eventually it's going to break. That's one thing. I mean, I'm not a TA guy, but I look at this chart and I can even tell it's going to break out. Like, it's really trying to get through. So if it gets through that 20-cent wall, I reckon it's going to go to 30 or 50. And like I said, I'm not a TA guy, but I do watch this person here. So his name is Siam Kid. I know somebody else had a video on about him today, but I've been watching him for a while, and this is the first time I got a chance to talk about this video. So he has this fractal chart. It's based on power law, and basically it shows mini cycles within the Kaspa cycle. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it has a top, and then it goes back down and it repeats. So he has made his group a lot of money on this. I can't afford it. Well, I could afford to join his group, but it's a lot of money like to get into his group. But just a couple of key points from his video here, just to give you an idea of the stuff he's talking about.
For a while I've had my cycles, and for those of you who are not familiar with the Kaspa or my particular fractals, what I found a long time ago now is that it has a recurring theme. And these are my designations for it, and it's from 1 to 7. So you have all-time high, double bottom 2, spring 3, retest the bum 4, trap 5, which is normally a compression, typically a flat top compression, and that compression happens around or a little bit higher than the previous all-time high. You then move up into pre-high 6, where people snatch too early and they get giddy, and then you have the eventual all-time high, which then goes into 1, and guess what? Double bottom 2, spring 3, not much of a retest the bum 4 there. Again, trap 5 around the previous all-time high, pre-high 6, then 7. And then it repeats like clockwork. I mean, this is the perfect one here. All-time high 1, double bottom 2, spring 3, retest the bum line, which is there, 4, trap 5, slightly higher than the previous all-time high. And then, boom, pre-high 6, all-time high 7. So long story short, this pattern increases dramatically. Now, the reason I'm looking at this in the log chart is you need it for something which is growing rapidly. So if we take it out of the log chart, you'll see that the patterns are just getting bigger and bigger.
That was the first part of the video I wanted to show you. There's another bit here he has at the end.
So what this means, and this is just for shits and giggles, every trap 5 happens on the weekend. So this one was on a Saturday, this one was a Saturday, this one broke out on a Sunday, wrong way around. This one was a Sunday. If I get rid of this, you can see Sunday breakout, Sunday breakout. This is a Saturday breakout, and it looks like we're now finally having a Saturday breakout. Kaspa is a weekend party animal, folks. So what are we likely to see? Every single trap 5 breakout has always been 14 days, 14 days, 15 days. So, I don't know, another 15 days? Let's just say it's 15, 16 days. So what I'm expecting now, and yeah, I could be horrendously wrong here, is that until sort of mid-August, we're going to see anywhere between 30 to 50 cents. That's what I'm calling 30 to 50 cents. The thing is, at some point we're going to start seeing diminishing returns.
And that's basically just what I wanted to show you. So he reckons by the 12th of August, or in the next couple of weeks in August, it's going to reach 30 to 50 cents. So, and this guy is usually right. He was right on the last one here, and he's going to sell when it gets to the top of his fractal, the top of phase 6, and it drops down whatever 50%. He's a trader. I won't be doing that, and you probably won't be doing that because it's too dodgy. I'll just be holding on to my Kaspa. But that's what he does. So give this guy a look. Siam Kid. He has a YouTube channel, and just see what you think. I found that very interesting, and it kind of matches up like with what's happening at the moment. And we're really gonna. It looks like we're gonna have a breakout. I just on other news, just a bit of KRC20 news. So Kaspa the Ghost, attention Kaspa and Kaspa communities, check out our new brand, kaspercoin.net. Kaspa. This page has all the Kaspa currency information you may need. We've created an exclusive video tour of the page showing all the resources you need to mint KRC20 in mid-August. Watch the tour, explore the resources, get ready to start minting soon. Don't miss out, visit and dive in. So they've created a kind of a website really. So it has it's similar to Cast Tools, but not as advanced kind of thing. Or not Cast Tools, sorry, Kaspa. So he has like featured token, Casperbot. That's what I'm going to be using to mint tokens this time around. I'm not going to use Cashware. You can view their website, shows you the price, goes to central exchanges that you can get Kaspa on, storage wallets, like a couple of cold storage wallets there, a couple of hot wallets, KRC20 protocol, KDX, that's a DEX that's coming out. They were talking on Blockchain Banter. Cashware is a KRC20 compatible wallet that you can mint off, and this is another KRC20 DEX. And then Casperbot you can mint from using 10 wallets at the same time and 10 bots to mint your tokens. And Casperbot has partnered with Caspador, and they will be coming out with their own wallet as well. So there's a lot of stuff happening. People were worried about what are we going to do when we mint our tokens. There's nowhere to swap, but now it looks like there's a shitload of DEXs coming out. So there'll be plenty of places to swap your tokens. And this is KDX. This is that DEX I told you about just a minute ago. We are proud to unveil an exclusive sneak peek of KDX swap pioneering DEX DeFi hub on Kaspa. Experience seamless KRC20 token swaps, advanced staking and farming rewards, and much more, all on KDX. Oh, and this does not replace the preview, still to come. So that's that. Like, it looks pretty simple to use. It looks like it's a nice interface, nice GUI. That's KDX. Castflex at last released a message, but not too much detail in it. But hi everyone, we've made some optimizations to enhance the user experience. Wallets can now handle transaction mass issues more efficiently. KRC20 tokens can be transferred without costing a certain amount of cash, making airdrops and micropayments more cost effective. To help wallets integrate these features seamlessly, we're launching a new test on testnet 10. Stay tuned for this details. This bit's important because last time they did their testing on testnet 11, which is 10 blocks per second, but it worked fine on that. It didn't show up the issues with KIP9 and transaction bloating and all this kind of stuff. But when they launched it on the 1 block per second mainnet, it caused a lot of problems. So this time they are testing on the testnet 10, which runs at 1 block per second. So that will simulate the mainnet. So it'll give them a lot more info. If it works good on that one, it should work good on mainnet. So next time they launch it, hopefully it'll be smooth running and we'll all be happy. And we'll see the volume, the transaction volume on Kaspa shot up last time when KRC20s were released. Caspay, this is one I'm excited to see exactly what they're up to. Caspador is working with these again. It's all hush hush. They're not saying much. They're just talking about their logo. They have a Telegram page. You can go check that out. I'm excited to see what they're about. They have our website there as well. I've showed before, but it just says coming soon. They're not giving much away. And on other news, just to watch out for this. So we all know Castware. Oh, I can't even spell it. Castware. So Castware, when you search it, this is the official one. Castware Wallet Open Beta is live. This one, all of these are fake ones. Don't go into these. Don't connect your wallet. Just don't go near them. They're all fake. They're all out to scam you. This is the official one, okay? So make sure if you're going to Castware X page, make sure it's this one, okay? And that is all the news. That's why I think Bitcoin is, that's why I think Kaspa is going to break out very soon. And that's all the KRC20 news at the moment. No dates. I still think mid-August it's going to come out, mid to end of August. If they're only testing it now, they're going to have to test it for a month or a couple of weeks. So the middle of August to the end of August is my best guess. If I hear anything, I'll keep you posted. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like because it helps the channel a lot. And if you want to keep up to date with all Kaspa and KRC20 news, please subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again.